Buddha, please let go of me. I am dirty.
Niti, we should not look down upon ourselves. One does not become distinguished by one's birth, but by one's behavior. You clear the dirt from people's homes. I clear the dirt from people's hearts. Hence, you and I are the same. Please rise.
या सावलीत माझ्या विश्वाची माऊली ती हृदयात मानवाच्या ब्रह्मज्योत लावली ती जग जिंकून झाले ते मित्र गौतमाचे पिंपळाच्या